It's Ruby's Christmas open house. I just wanted to show you guys the repair job that was done on my chair so that I could get my cabinet to fit properly, and it's all done. So I wanted to do a big reveal, but I also thought I'd do a little Christmas for you. I usually decorate my van for the holidays. This is Christmas. I don't do a lot. I just put a couple of red things in there and a couple of throw pillows, and it's very casual. Here I have my little tray. I put it over top of my Lavio dry flush toilet, and I use it as a bedside table. My little Christmas stocking, in case anybody wants to drop me some goodies. That's my little hot water kettle. I use that for my coffee. I use a drip method now. Just have a red throw over top of my chair, which is working great. My bed, my comfy bed. Have my Mary pillow. A couple other soft pillows to relax. Over here I have my Coleman lantern. I have a carbon monoxide detector back there. And my thermostat for my temperature and my humidity gauge is back there. I have room for all kinds of stuff. There's all kinds of storage back there. And then I put these little IKEA containers on a bungee cord, which work great. They never come off when I drive. They have this little lip, and it just fits over top of that bungee cord. I could probably fit maybe 2 more on there easily. I use them for storage. Have a little bit of art. Sometimes God calms the storm. Sometimes he lets the storm rage and calms his child. It's beautiful, isn't it? And here we have my favorite saying, beautiful girl, you can do hard things. Yes, I can. Happy camper. Yeah, so I just have a few pillows here. You know, up front I have a nice soft Sherpa on my chair so that when I drive it's nice and warm. My Reflectix, I have the one for the front window up there. And then back here, you can look under here, I store behind my front seat all my other Reflectix. But look at all the room I have under here, guys. This is the storage bins that I use currently. I might be switching that out for something different, but currently I use these drawers. And then back here I have the one that I use for my Instant Pot and my air fryer. Plenty of room back here, and then above them I have room for more stuff. But with the lighting, remember I used to have the lighting on my ceiling? I took it all down because I got a new headliner and I do not want to put any holes in my new headliner. So guys, I'm ready for Christmas. Ruby is ready for Christmas. Yeah. And now I'm going to take you back here. Look at that headliner. It's so beautiful. Yeah, I don't really have much. I have a candle. I burn this candle, and it's a pine scent, and I have a little candle ring on it. Because I'm dry camping, I don't use my sink in the winter, so I just put a tray with a little candle. And then I have a Lucy light back here, and then here I have another light that's motion, and it's USB powered. It also can stay in steady on or steady off mode. Like if I open the back window, van window, or door, that will come on at nighttime, which is handy for lighting. Now here's the big reveal, guys. I'm gonna show you what he did. You see what he did? He just kind of cut down, I think it's about 6 inches that he cut. And now my wooden part of my chair, the frame of my chair, it fits perfectly there. But as you can see, the cabinet is done. The lighting is up. Put the cushion down so you can really see the cabinet. I put 2 lights inside the cabinet that are similar to the one I have at the back. Motion. So if I put my hand in there, they come on, or they can be on automatic, or they can be on mode or off mode. I just stuck a bin in there to kind of judge how big my bins need to be. So what I've decided to do with this, guys, is I'm going to put food on this side, and way back in the back will be my spa bag with all my bathroom essentials. So that's what I'm going to do with it, because clothing goes in my one drawer and I have it rolled and I can find it easily there. So I'm not going to put my clothing in here. I'm going to put my food in here. I'm in bed and I decide, oh boy, I could really go for a snack. What should I have? I just love it. And remember the problem I had under here with this door flapping? I just took my silicone ice cube tray and put it against that. I use this for jewelry at night. And guess what? It holds that door up so it doesn't slam into that side of that thing anymore. And it's just great. And it's storage. There's my cup holders. There's my Mophie that's powering my lights. Everything is USB powered. That's the dog's butt. That's where I put Teddy's leash and harness. I just think it's so cool. Yeah. So there it is. Ruby is all ready to go on our next trip. It's very soft. I have memory foam in all of my cushions now. So my cushions are like so soft. Even though what I'm sitting on right now is memory foam. You just sink down into it. It's so comfortable. So yeah, I put a few granola bars and my coffee mug here. So it's all ready to go in the morning for me. So I can make my coffee. And that's my chimney. That's why I have my stocking hung there. It's right by my door. So Santa can easily find it. Yeah. Yeah, Christmas is coming. I have a few things in the van. Not a lot. I don't do a lot. I usually just do a pillow or two, and then I'll do, you know, a couple candy bars in a candy dish, a stocking, and then I'll put a candle at the back and just change my lights so that they kind of flash different colors for Christmas. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the tour of Ruby with all our changes. I mean, I think she just really turned out nice. This cabinet is just amazing. Doesn't it look awesome? Having those lights inside the cabinet is going to look really cool at nighttime too. I'm going to have so much lighting. But it's soft lighting. It's not really aggressive, which is what I like. I don't like real bright lighting, but it's enough to read by. So I should be able to still read my Bible and my books in the evenings. Plus I have my Coleman lantern I can use if I need to. Oh, with that cabinet, it makes me so happy. It really does. I love it. I put some flowers up there. These are my dogwood flowers. I hope you have a wonderful time getting ready for Christmas. And I am really, really happy that my van, my Ruby, is back together. I can go on my Cape Henlopen trip now. I'm so excited. I think I'm going to go this weekend, actually, because it's supposed to be 58 on Sunday. So, yeah, guys, I'm going to get it all booked again. I had canceled it, but I'm going to rebook it. And hopefully I'll be heading out on Friday. It's supposed to rain Friday, but I'm going to head out on Friday. Stay the night, Friday night, Saturday, and Sunday, and then come back on Monday. That's what my plan is. So we'll be doing some videos of our camping trip. Yeah, we're going to test out our rig. See how things go. I'm excited. Jingle bells, man. I like the red in here for Christmas. I think it's pretty. See you guys down the road. Maybe this weekend we'll camp. See ya.